are going to love the 2008 Dodge Avenger. The Avenger combines strength with fuel efficiency to ensure that its sporty looks do not deceive. Electronic stability control is designed to help you maintain control during inclement driving conditions. Surprisingly roomy, with the Avenger, you can have the sporty-looking car you want and still get the storage space you need. This vehicle has less than 95,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: steering wheel audio controls, keyless entry, CD changer, anti-lock braking system, dual airbags, Bluetooth, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, 6-speed automatic transmission, aluminum wheels, 4-wheel disc brakes, cruise control, auto-dimming rear-view mirror, AM/FM stereo radio, center armrest, climate control, rear defrost, front-wheel drive, security system. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.